Hey there, nature lovers! Have you ever wanted to turn your backyard into a buzzing wildlife haven? Well, today I'm going to show you some easy steps to create a sanctuary that attracts birds, bees, and other amazing creatures. First up, let's talk plants. Native plants are the key. They provide food and shelter for local wildlife. Think about adding a variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees that bloom at different times of the year. This way, you'll ensure a continuous food supply throughout the seasons. Next, water. A small pond or bird bath can make a huge difference. Birds need water for drinking and bathing, and other creatures like frogs and dragonflies will appreciate it too. Just make sure to keep it clean and fresh. Now, let's focus on shelter. Birdhouses, bat boxes, and even simple brush piles can provide cozy hiding spots. Leave some areas a bit wild. Fallen leaves and logs can be perfect homes for insects and small mammals. Food sources are essential. Install bird feeders and fill them with seeds, suet, or nectar, depending on the birds you want to attract. Planting berry-producing bushes or fruit trees can also provide natural snacks. Don't forget the bees. Create a pollinator paradise by planting bee-friendly flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and coneflowers. Avoid using pesticides as they can harm the very wildlife you're trying to attract. Finally, be patient. Building a wildlife-friendly backyard takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Soon you'll see your yard come alive with chirping birds, fluttering butterflies, and buzzing bees. So roll up your sleeves and get started. Your backyard sanctuary is just a few steps away. Thanks for watching, and happy habitat creating.